but will be very, very fast because wait, enya kasa o. Rich, baby edu na enya kasa. Na mami lay foundation kitu abi ma o. Se na be ya omo mutie no ometi ase ye. O say o share tactical board no sisi ya. You were from 1 to 18. Enti ubenya 1 to 8 omo ma qualify. Any omo so nkampempen sakeka se Champions League area omo mbobo playoff no. There are many games near interested they say. Rich, there are teams that omo 1 to 8 anymore. They must still consolidate omo position by getting points and I said 3 points and then. And yes sir, obi be 1 to 8 in the chi. O winia, obetimi aba be twen wa wo top no. Aba from no ba ho. And probably apart from Arsenal, any Bayern Munich, what can be your position can be affected if you don't win. My remember a typical example. Say Real Madrid were 15 points. Omo 13 points should they win their matches? They go 16. Into Real Madrid oko Portugal no. So I'm going to say Benfica. And I say Okodi agona say Benfica shana. Na oka 15 wa. Na say these teams are more 13 points. Omo nyina win matches. It means omo be taking over Real Madrid position and push them down. Na ye pia wo ko phone unim baby a corner unim baby a kwakoto. And no na the games. I are very, very interesting. Now, number 3, Rich, your club they are below the first 8. Our mujidi say pair or mu pedigree. Any club in the same season, they deserve to qualify straightforward. Barcelona can, Man City can, Inter can. All those clubs in Omujidi say no, we are too big and we don't want to add 2 additional games in the Champions League. And suddenly we have quarterfinals no proper. Yeah, they per qualify from the group stage straight forward. And see, those are the dynamics for any games, you know. Now with that said, Rich, I don't put premium on this flyer. Qualifying your difference room. And see, me and George Kaba me just say or shade the way from outside. Barcelona for ne kasa chinchin and also was na only one person Barcelona qualify. It means on this graphic there are a lot of teams who are qualify. But Rich, qualification papa no.
Automatic no.
Yes.
Yeah, playoff.
There be.
Or playoff there be better to see.
You what you say? Last time you bought playoff no. Say the Man City, Real Madrid no.
Sure.
So one qualifies later. What if you are drawn into such a game? It means one of those teams and also move future Champions League in the mountain. And no many games in an ocean. 18 games. Now, Mabusa me wants a rich. Yeah, we cable TV. Yeah, in past sports standards now cable TV. Every 18. And games in Emudia ina. Every home. It's a bomb team. Again, make the own baby, you know, because channels no 8 minutes.
Yeah, they be big boys in India. No.
But Rich, so what can big boys in the games now? And also,
because 18 matches,
18,
and big boys, you know.
And also,
Napoli they say big, Barca they are big, Benfica big, Liverpool big, City big, Dortmund big,
Inter, yes.
PSG big, yes. Frankfurt, Arsenal, Atletico Madrid,
yes.
And a games now
exactly. It's me who can big game and that's a big boys. Even say yes selective guy so mama GB da and your mom club name who which you will still get number of games at those one. Putting them on the TV channels will be problematic. And then you remember how Messi as a channel. Now let's do predictions.
Okay.
Now my code. Look. But we say Oko chance your X account wa. They've processed 2012. Okay, so 2012 for Napoli 2 ties now. It was one of the best ties I ever in the Champions League. And confirm say Chelsea free Mary. Then they came back to do their wonders. Rich, me share 2012 squad in Numwa. And I say, are they reminding me of Adebia? Abba team this week. Rich okay Chelsea ball Bayern Munich this season in the Champions League now. The analysis was that Bayern team share almost easily because majority of the Chelsea players any Champions League experience. Now, with those same players, any Liam Rosenena, Waba Onusia very, very rocky when it comes to Champions League football. What Chelsea are doing, and they say, almost a very, very inexperienced team, led by a very, very inexperienced coach, to go all the way to one of the most vociferous venues in European football, Naples, and say, go there and get us the results. Which, that is a very, very difficult ask. Mankana mewa. On the face of it, is Chelsea our favorite against Napoli?
Napoli will win Champions League ball.
Yes.
Coach Conte.
But a very, very naive Chelsea team in the context of the Champions League. And the country almost say they should go to Naples, play at the Maradona Stadium, and get results out of there. Minim say Napoli from India. Antonio Conte na Angasa Mukani in Europe, onye coach Kasiebia. But domestic football there is one of the best. But in Europe, on say any pedigree papebia. Which will Chelsea be able to do it? Big question. Big one. Adia minimum say. Since Aliam Bayern, Chelsea game be a match be o matime win be a game which they are able to boss the midfield. Then they follow it up with almost chance creation or match. And tell me just one question. With Moise Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez, joined by Kopama in the number 10 position, against Lobotka and McTominay, Omitimi dominate Omo Naples wana. That is very, very huge question. Chelsea must find a way. Meaning, a lot of Chelsea fans, they don't probably watch the Serie A. And since Awoka Lobotka now come McTominay, they don't really understand same Omo combination it here. But Rich, on a very, very good day, these two players.
Only very good.
Yes.
I heard McTominay dominating Manchester United.
No, but okay. Serie A. People don't follow leagues. They don't watch the Serie A. Especially Lobotka. Which say Onyani Day pa. He can be very, very troublesome in a midfield and dominate it for on the team. And the Chelsea must be careful. Chelsea a favorite mommy on paper there. But Rich, a bad day some better Napoli for.
Okay.
A bad day. So Chelsea a better Napoli for. And go for me so much game with me.
Arsenal.
Arsenal will win. Unim what? Adia bakwa me mo almost have him no. Number no mama Arsenal said the team said there. Which they still have a quality and strong team. Internet, a lot of the keyboards better na bench. By exam, they will play. And they are very, very good players. So na Henka Pimpo na Luis Kelly there, but you can't tell me Luis Kelly or a good player. And Arsenal best the team. Ebia enye Jolanti ma number 2. By Ben White the Ben White strong.
Saka man no ni madoke.
You get it.
Quality.
So, yes. So Trossard and Mono the Gabriel Martinelli you get it. So Odegaard and Mono as an elbow. So the Gabriel so say Joker so Arsenal strong team and they are playing at home. And Arsenal both side game will reach at the backdrop say in 3 games in the Premier League winning back cry. They need to find their winning mentality and turn them. And when we say they will bench a lot of players, but they will still be very, very up for this game. And Arsenal, Ebeshe Karate for no. Barcelona, Ebeshe Copenhagen.
Okay.
But who said the biggest problem? Barcelona and Fifi, no. And then when I almost come press conference, now so so Barcelona Kobobo. Now Omunya Frankie de Jong, Omunya Pedro. Now so we are worried about what's here. But the bit my catch a more Mubisa question is say, Omo Fermin Lopez. They can play in their position now. Frankie de Jong, Mone, Pedro, Ebon, even including Eric Garcia. He mentioned Eric Garcia, and it's all Mundo is predicting said the midfield will be Eric Garcia, Daniel Olmo in the number 8, and said the Pedri Ebono, then Fermin Lopez number 10. Meaning say this Copenhagen team can be worrisome, but they've come up against Barcelona at the wrong time. Barcelona almost say they believe almost say now they get 16 points. 16 points because there are clashes for the other teams, and they move right into the straight 8, Barcelona will beat them over 1.5 from Po. I asked Olympiacos will be an over 1.5 game for me. Which you understand me ready?
Bebao.
Yes, 2 good teams are omu BM omu ball. Into Athletic Club de Bilbao, any Sporting Club de Portugal game, will also give an over 1.5 game. Honum. Atletico Madrid add also because of the Bodo and the Man City. I will go for a double chance for Atletico and the Wanda Metropolitan. Yes, Bodo a very stubborn side, but the only Man City and Siano and Atletico add also they will not lose to Bodo. If you so double chance team, your friend Atletico Madrid, which Ubra chance to the ball.
The last time crime training can be 1 week.
Just Odi never just Odi Liverpool Goma. Me genuine feeling to say.
On the was coach in Nyadi.
Was a coach in Nyadi.
Was Anna Slot no.
Yes. Me so say
as a club, me a club yeah no be di ho.
Any
nti e bedu so no one for team ni adwuma.
Me so mu o me bra bi wo Holland insurance e friend Befi. On so Liverpool ni sa. Any on e bra chance to the boy. O madwen no opposite.
Okay.
But me so say me Befi o bleedy pa because some catch and say bo mu club no. Se club full team no ko a obehu de ekoso. Which I think Liverpool in domestic competitions, but in the Champions League they do well. Come back for near stubborn because they are able to score goals, but me sure say Liverpool ever share or more and they unfold in the Champions League. What a game! It's
City Galatasaray.
Look, Gala will be bare to score goals against City. Me can't say win, but to score goals against City, will be bare. Sharp wingers. Good passes, striker with the box one, all my pressure. City team this season can contain teams, And to my question, they say, how many goals and a City bet me a share without Semenyo in the Champions League to win this game? Goals to do saying. And I mean, real fee, Magayine Antoine Semenyo, they are not registered for the Champions League yet. And you are free. Then you will be watching South City team now. Bodo Echo share almost 3-1 now. Facing this Galatasaray team, forget about the venue. This is European football. The environment, adequate for be only will be able to score. Which and again way, be win Sambia. Yes, because I'm telling you, I'm able to maybe BSC. Game I think it's a goal there. It is a shot for those two teams now. Say Omubetimi Ashe. I was how much in him. Must just I am real.
I just say.
Do you know what the question?
I'm
Do you know what the question?
Oh my gosh, show.
I think say Osha example na me dem na. Real Madrid points no. Omu here bi aka. And so no why is safe. And no Real Madrid are born with a lot of seriousness. I will go for a Real Madrid double chance away. Benfica in Portugal. Dortmund Inter. Me who feel say only the baby. Sometimes we talk finals.
Dortmund Inter now.
We are no do final. Ya question no ma betene fie. Enti finalist en toka. Ana omo eba be kono. Me share two teams in the players omo wa. I think we can also count on goals in this game.
Okay.
No worry ourselves with when the best the young because we be able to see Inter still on paper a strong mommy than this Dortmund team. But at the signal you do now, Inter sometimes they can also deceive you. And let's forget about it. Now you say okay, see who carry my day me and Maximilian Bayer. Any Sebu Gorasi. Now there Inter will also go with Lautaro Martinez. any Turam there, then we will see goals in the game. So an over 1.5 was Germany. It's the same thing. Was our game with Frankfurt. Then Tottenham was so will get us the goals. I am a fair party. I am over 0-4 Leverkusen. I here with Lucas Vasquez picture to announce the match day graphic. He's a Spanish, and I have Villarreal Spanish team and an Aiba. So they decided, say, okay, you welcome on call for now. Say to me, any or more about two very, very good attacking teams, and they will produce the goals. So Bayern for Leverkusen Villarreal should also give us goals. I was our competition a full front talker. But I think say Pafos an advantage of more so move home, and they look slightly a better team kakra. Defensively, HS 11 power for. So I'll go for a Pafos or more double chance. I was sad game with. Yeah, you know. And then the keep front page, I say objective and I triple. Or more triple objectives. And then numbers of Mukan. There are 3 games in the Champions League final day of the group stage, involving French clubs. Paris Saint-Germain, Marseille, Monaco. We will start with the Monaco game against Juve. Look, Spalletti, confidence not their bridge Juve rich. And what do you? And they will be taking Jonathan Davis back to France. Monaco team no so nya bad team at all. And then it is say I have so far team ebetimi ejina with Balagun as a main striker. I think so we may see some 2 goals be. That was our game in Monaco and Juventus at the end. This game can't fail with goals. Club Brugge and Marseille. 2 very, very good attacking teams are. Yeah, when they will give us some goals. We now your team at their kind of bets. Then the Paris Saint-Germain Newcastle game. Sankia Bobo was St. James. And the home atmosphere will be different. And can you make me a pushy Newcastle for to say they stand a chance I was a game with him. But Rich, the game is being played at Parc des Princes. The only problem with Paris Saint-Germain and say they are not having Fabian Ruiz. Fabian Ruiz in games are a pinche intensity. This PSG for sa tempo controller na and commit me a calm ball. Would I him Rich? This is one of the games I want to watch, and I'll tell you why. Say the prediction for Paris Saint-Germain a lineup on the NSA without Fabian Ruiz. And with Zao Neves, the late fitness when you're they are going to go with a midfield of Vitinha. They say when Ghana will play in the midfield, then Warren Zai Emery and so Ebebo Fifi. What South Paris Saint-Germain midfield way? Actually, NSA, Rich, they will also not have players. Only control bono, a pass on 50 baby, and wait free. Obiano said Newcastle for there's one way they play their game. Gordon, Harvey Barnes, and a Wissa. Anymore. You have born quick transitions to them. Near the border Tremica, expecting Trippier and a horse or joining Omo our attack. Rich, we are going to see one of the games. The pace and the intensity will be too much. That was our game win. So we are short of goals. I want the Parc des Princes between Paris Saint-Germain. Any team your friend Newcastle, but because it's a home game for PSG, I will add their double chance to that game, and so I can't how many games in there. PSG Bayern, I say. Goes better.
Yeah. Maybe a 2-1 B.
2-1, 3-1,
Yeah.
3-2.
PSV team no. Nkwe.
Aso muso no madumbi. Wow. Me the goals na me hu. Ba Bayern be sene de ene na me gidie na ewo mu no ewo from kakra. But goals ni de why not? If you appear it was our game. I think this is the last game. Union Saint Gallen and then Atlanta will also give us probably an over 1.5 game to reach. And the games in the baby. Let me finish with odds. I think I have one rollover odds and just 2 odds for the rest of the games, And so me for come here for near for. Timmy so Gina And also odi aye onyoman kiti bi ewo. Let's start with the rollover one no. 5 odds for no. Code no BW 3658 9A 5C. BW 36589A 5C. And the rest no just two codes. And also first one BW 36199 DC0 and a BW 36584A 84. Oko Ousu Bempa Ayala LX. And I said Bismarck Ousu Bempa hyphen Ayala Facebook. And I said Ayala Sports Facebook. And I said if you are fortunate to be a member of the WhatsApp channel and I say Telegram channel no so and you already have seen it. Into which Yemfa NCA
Yemfa update my for now and discussing Nankasa on Kotokono. Yenye Swedwell Blacks and now I'm the two head coach. Any